morning, YouTube. We're back again for another Shop With Me video. I have my mom here. Say hi, Mom. Say good morning, to the people. Good morning. So we just picked up some Chick-fil-A. We're about to eat that real quick in the car before we go to our local Homegoods and TJ Maxx. And then after that, we'll probably go out to another Homegoods a little bit further out. And we're just gonna chill today. It's me and my mom. I'm off today from work. And we're just gonna ride out. We're gonna do this vlog style and just see where today takes us. Peace out. Say bye, Mom. Yer. So after 18 hours in Homegoods, we are finally leaving and wrapping up. We are about to head to TJ Maxx. Well, not TJ Maxx, my bad. Target. Ooh. We about to head to Target and Marshall's. We are supposed to go to another Homegoods, but we just decided to stay local since we've been to this since we've been at this Homegoods for a while. So I still got my mask on. Whew. Since we've been at this Homegoods for a while, so yeah, so we're about to go to Target and Marshall's to see what they have. I'm sitting in the car waiting for my mom to return something at Walmart. And we are going to go to Target. That's our last stop today. I am exhausted at this point, and it is only 3:15, but I'm beat. I'm ready to go home and take a nap. But I'm gonna try to get some coffee at Target, see if that energizes me a little bit more. You know, I have to go home and my 3-year-old is going to be ready to play, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take a nap. But I am enjoying myself as usual. Shopping for home stuff is always fun for me. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video, and let's get back to it.